Superachievers. Energy, energized, energetic with lots of positive vibes. Be energetic always. How are you? Fantastic, excellent, superb, awesome. You must be. So, what's up going on? See, always you should be curious, be hungry, and be curious because you are now just building your career, creating your life. So today's topic is it is a little bit out of the curriculum or academics, how you want to build you as a person, as a brand. You are nowadays, everything is brand. How you represent yourself. This is also important. Only academics is not going to help you. So welcome to my channel. And if you are new to this channel, my name is Pratap Harichandra. I am a mechanical engineer, but now I am building super achievers, building and helping students, mentoring students to find their best career options to build a purposeful, rich, and joyful life. And my organization is the Sixth Sense PH. I am founder of that organization. So, quickly, let us come to the subject. It is a little bit interesting also. How to build your profile. If you are thinking of going abroad for studies, also some universities like liberal arts, some institutions, universities are there in India, those who require your profile. As a person, you must have a profile because nowadays, it is 21st century and everything is visible, everything is online. So how you want to build your profile so that people know you and it is you, it is your brand. So let us see what is a profile. And this is because you are now a student. So what is your profile actually? If you see, profile means it is not only your academics. It is not only your academics that your percentage of marks, that's all. No, it is actually, if you see, it is your skills, what skills you have, what you have achieved, and unique qualities you have, and that make you, and these things make you stand out. It makes you different from others. And ultimately, if you see, it is your brand. Suppose my name is Pratap Harichandran and my organization is the Sixth Sense PH. It is a brand. My brand is the Sixth Sense PH. I am the founder of that organization. That way, you see my profile. And you just do one thing. You Google my name, Pratap Harichandran. You will find what is profile. You can understand from there. And why this profile is needed, a little bit I have already told you why it is needed actually, and why it is also important. A strong profile can find you and you can find good colleges. And it is not only academics they look for nowadays, the skills also, your achievements, and how you are contributing to the society, how you are participating in social organizations, those things. And it is your story you are telling to the mass. So that is why it is very important to build your career, to create your life, and as a person, who are you? My questions, if you remember, I used to ask 3 questions. No? Who are you? So this comes under you. Under this profile building, who are you? Next, let us see what are the things that you have to cover in a profile. First is academics. It's all legendary. You have to be very good in academics. Try to be good in academics because this is the foundation of your profile. But remember, only academics is not the profile. There is a lot of things that people look for nowadays. And so your also once what happens, if you have a good academic score, people like to see further. They would like to see further what you are actually doing, other things, what you are doing. But if you are average student, or between 60 to 70%. Still then, if you have other things, other skills, achievements, participations, that also takes a good observation by others. Next, let us see what are the extracurricular activities that has to be put in your profile. It reflects that your interest and skill areas, and not only in classroom. Academics means only your classroom. So these things out of the classroom, like participating in every activities that is happening, extracurricular activities that is happening in your schools. Like I used to tell my students, please participate all the activities or the competitions that is happening in your school, like competitions like elocution, debate, essay, dance, music, and a lot of things that happens, sports. This shows your skill and your achievements also, apart from only classroom academics. So better, because see, profile means all these things if you add, it is a profile. Next is your leadership and volunteering. Here it is actually how you are taking part in a social activities. It is, if you say that I am not aware of these things, but there are social activities going on nearby your area, there you can participate. Like you can also go to a blind school and try to give your knowledge or share something to help them to know better. Something you can contribute to them, or you can participate in cleaning the village activities. That is also part of the social activity. Or you can take part in tree plantation. Nowadays it is happening in every school as a government project. So those things you can put it in your profile. Then it is your skills and certifications. Many of us have skills, but certification is also very much required. Skills like coding, it is a skill. Nowadays, you are 21st century students. Everything is online. So if you are good at codings, get certificates from online classes like Udemy or Coursera. There you can have certifications. Apart from this coding, you can have video editing certifications, and a lot of small certifications you can have. Leadership, creative thinking, innovative thinking. These courses are available. See, if you say that I am not getting time apart from academics, you have time. If you think you can do it, you can do it. If you not, no. Always have a growth mindset. Don't block your mind. Once you say I cannot, I have no time, means you are blocking your thinking power. Don't block it. You can do it. It doesn't take much time for getting your online certifications. It is around 4 to 5 hours course. Every day you can invest on 15 to half an hour time. You have to initiate. You have to take action. And it is not that you'll have perfection. That I have this much time, then I will do that one. No. Take actions. Whatever resources you have, take actions. So these all are about your building profile. What do you say? Characters. Characters means pointers. These are. First it was academics. Second it is your extracurricular activities. Then it is your leadership and volunteering, then skills and certifications. Then come to the last point, what is called here creating a profile. So once you create the profile, where you can create the profile? You can create in LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a very good professional website where you can build your profile. And also you can digitally also you can put it anything that is available for the students, there also you can put your profile. And remember, Once you create a profile, it will be going on refinement of 1 year. Once you cross, suppose you are in class 9, you are going to class 11, that has to be updated. And if you are serious for abroad studies or anything that is you are passionate about to grow further, profile is very important for you. You can go to my LinkedIn profile and see, or anybody's LinkedIn profile, you go and see how the profile is being made. If you need more help, you can contact with me to build your profile. Right? Think of it and you can make it. That's all for today. And all the love, all the power. Don't forget to subscribe and share my video if you like it, and give feedbacks. Feedback is very necessary for me because the way I am presenting the contents that is required for you, I need so that I can put in a better way for you. You win, I win. Thank you. All the love, all the power.